who's ready for a little eye candy. I'm gonna share with you guys some of my Christmas presents. I'm so excited about these pieces. I've got 5 pieces to share with you guys. These are of course my main Christmas presents. I will have a couple of Christmas presents to open that will be a surprise on Christmas, with the family. But these are my main Christmas presents and I'm so excited. I've got my hot tea. Go ahead and grab yourself a cup and let's go ahead and get started. So I honestly don't even know where to start. I typically save like the best for last, or the biggest, but I love everything. I truly love everything. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and start out with these 2 right here because they're in the smallest boxes and they were right in front of me. This is a Saint Laurent box. I have opened everything. I did sneak peek because when you're buying luxury, I like to make sure that everything's good. There's no issues. I don't need to make any exchanges. There's, nothing wrong with it. So I did do a little sneak peek before because, well, and I'm kind of impatient and I kind of needed to look. So I ended up ordering this from Farfetch. I do have another Farfetch coupon code for you guys. I get asked about that all the time. I usually get one like every other month or every other quarter. I'll put it here on the screen if you want to save 10%. Keep in mind there are a couple of exclusions and it is for new customers only. However, like I told you guys the last time I mentioned my coupon code, you can open up a new Farfetch account if you use a different email address. So if you want to use the discount, just use a different email and you'll be able to save the 10%. But I did order this from Farfetch and I've actually wanted this one for quite a while. I don't have a lot of these in my collection. I actually only have, well, technically I have 2. One I bought and one was a gift. And I realized how much I love it. So I wanted to go ahead and add this one because this one has been on my wish list for a while. And that is this YSL card case. You can use the coupon code on this one and Farfetch has a ton of different colors to choose from. I went for like this gray beige-est color. I feel like this is going to go with a lot of my bags. Like look at how pretty it looks with the Gallet color from Louis Vuitton, and then look at how pretty it looks up against Monogram. So pretty, right? I really love this. I love my card holder. This one has more slots than the one that I currently have. This one has 2 slots in the front, 2 slots in the back, and then the center one. So I think I could get a little bit more use out of this one. So I love this, and then of course I love the gold hardware. So this item actually just arrived yesterday. I wasn't even sure if I was going to be able to include it in this video, but I'm glad that it did so I can share them with you. I've had these on my wish list for a while as well. You can see it came in this little like travel case, I guess you could say. I do actually save these. I just store them upstairs. So what I got is these oversized Chanel like button CC earrings. These are so much fun and a little different for me because they are very oversized, as you can see, but I think they're going to be really pretty. I'm going to try to make them something that I can wear like casually, something that can be like not an everyday earring, but something that I could wear with like an everyday outfit. I just think they're really fun and beautiful, and y'all know how much I love my gold hardware. So this next item is something a little different for me, but I figured since it was Christmas, I'd go ahead and splurge a little and get something a little bougie. I'm super excited to wear this. I also happened to order this from Farfetch. They still have it in stock, and if you're wanting to be a little bougie, you want to splurge a little for yourself, Fendi t-shirt. I ended up getting it in a medium. I cannot wait to wear this. I will say it is definitely a little bit small, so it's a lot more fitted and shorter than typical, but it fits, so I'm definitely gonna wear this. I also think this would look super cute layered underneath a like black blazer. I think that would look really nice, but it's like this like blush nudie pink color with a black embroidery. It is embroidered, so it's really nice quality. You've got the Fendi like logo detail around the neck, and like I said, I did get it in a size medium. You've got the detail there. I know this is totally bougie, but I cannot wait to wear this. I think this is gonna look so good with just jeans and my Fendi flats. This next item also came from Farfetch, and they sent me the gift bag, so I went ahead and put it in the gift bag to share with you, and it did come with this really cute gift box. I might even use this for decorating. I think that's super cute. I'll probably put it like up in my studio or something. And here is the little dust bag that it came in, and what I got is this. It is so beautiful. It is this Fendi logo shawl. Is that color not like, it's seriously amazing. It is so beautiful. It did come in several other colors. I will say I struggled on what color to get. There was like nudes that I really liked. They even had like navy. I think they had like a beautiful like emerald green color. I just thought this red was so pretty. I do have a Louis Vuitton red scarf, but that one is just very different than this one. And you know how much I like to wear them like, what is it called? Like bandana style, I guess you could say. This one is made just like that. The way that I wear my Burberry scarves, this one is so, look at that. Oh, I cannot wait to wear this. This is so pretty and it's huge. It's so big. Let me open it all the way. It's probably not going to be able to come up on camera, but you can kind of get an idea of size. Like look at how big it is. It's still going. It's huge. Let me try and then wear it kind of like that. That's kind of the plan. Let's see, something like that. Look at that. Imagine the hair. Right? Oh, so cute. I love this color. So this piece I actually wasn't planning on getting this year. It's on my wish list. It's been on my wish list for a little while now. But I was thinking like a spring summer purchase, but I saw it on sale when I was shopping around on Farfetch. I figured it was a sign that I was meant to buy it right then. It was like 30% off, you guys. And when you're talking about this price point, that's a really big saving. Maybe it was 20% off. I don't know, but all I know is I saved quite a bit of money by purchasing it now and having it as, you know, my Christmas gift. And I already knew I was going to buy it anyway. And I'm sure some of you probably know what I'm talking about. It came in this Saint Laurent dust bag. I actually get asked that all the time about Farfetch if you get like the original dust bags when you order from them, and you absolutely do. With this bag, I actually got 2 dust bags. I got the one from the boutique and then I got the original Saint Laurent dust bag. The pieces that I've all bought, like all of these pieces, they're brand spanking new, like directly from the boutiques. You're just able sometimes to have savings. Like I said, I think I saved, it was either 20 or 30% off, and it just, there was a no-brainer. I knew I wanted this bag. This bag has been on my wish list. Even though I wasn't planning on getting it now for Christmas, I just felt like I said, it felt like a sign to me. So I went ahead and grabbed it. And the bag that I am talking about is the Saint Laurent Nikki in this stunning nude color. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I had this bag on my wish list. I didn't pull any of the packaging off this time because I wanted to go and show you how it comes packaged. Just everything's always been packaged really nicely. You always get a Farfetch tag and then of course the original packaging. I'm gonna go and pull everything off really quickly. They also have, here, let me open this up and I can show you. All of the stuffing is inside as well. But let me go and pull everything out so you can see the bag. So here she is. She is so pretty. I love the gold hardware. I feel like this color, you guys know I gravitate towards the nudes and the neutrals and the browns and the tans. I feel like I'm gonna get a ton of use out of this one. I fell in love with the suede version, which I also happen to order from Farfetch. You can use your coupon code. The coupon code, I'm going to put it on the screen one more time. You can use the coupon code on this bag, you guys. I don't know if this one in suede is still available. If it is, I will link it down below for you guys. But just in general, I fell in love with the Nikki silhouette of the bag. I just fell in love with this one. I loved carrying it. It was so comfortable. The size was amazing. I loved everything about this particular bag. So I knew I wanted to get it in a more everyday color, through like year-round color. This, even though I love it and the color is perfect because it's in suede, in my opinion, it is more of a fall winter bag. So when I saw this like nude blush kind of color, I knew I had to add this one to my collection. They are seriously so pretty. They both have the same exact gold hardware. They both have the matte like matching logo in the front. I cannot wait to wear this one. But one of my favorite things about this bag is the fact that the back and exterior pocket is a good size. I think it's a usable size. It's got the magnet. She's got the magnet closer in the front, and then you've got 2 compartments. This one here, which fits my phone, my keys, you know, all like my main essentials really easily here. But then you've got this larger compartment for all of your other handbag essentials. It is a really good sized bag. The quality is incredible. It's super comfortable to wear, and you've got the adjustable strap, so you can double it up just like this and wear it on the shoulder, or, you know, wear it handheld or in your arm. And then of course you can bring it down and you can wear it longer on the shoulder, or you can even crossbody it. Just in general, the silhouette of the Nikki bag is stunning and definitely become one of my all-time favorites. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. It is so nice to meet you. I do fashion and luxury videos here, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification button. Before you head out, make sure to check out one of these, and I'll see you in the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.